Today I'm going to show you how to recondition a wok. So this is a carbon steel wok. So if you had a day where you burn in a lot of food on the surface or you got a lot of rough spots after a lot of cooking, I'm going to show you how to make it almost brand new again. It's going to be better than brand new because once the wok has been reconditioned, it's going to develop a harder surface and you're going to have a fantastic stir fry the next time you cook again. So today I'm going to show you how to recondition a wok. So I was stir frying a dish and then later I put some noodles in there without washing the wok. So you should wash the wok every time and put oil on it, but this time I didn't, so this is the result. So there you have it, oyster sauce noodles, a simple, easy noodle dish. Enjoy! So you have the sauces and the noodles burning into the bottom here. So normally you can just soak this in water and you would be able to clean the wok, but today I'm going to show you how to recondition a wok. So I'm going to turn the heat on to medium-high. I'm going to put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So just going to bring this I'm just going to preheat this until the oil is hot. So you can see the oil starting to bubble right now. So just mix the oil into the edges there. So next I'm going to put in about 5 or 6 tablespoons of salt. So the oil is bubbling, so I'm going to turn off the heat now. So this oil is still pretty hot, so I've got a napkin. I'm using tongs, so you don't want to touch the hot oil, just use the tongs. You're going to scrape the salt against the wok here, so the surface of the wok will be clean again. So at the same time you're reconditioning the surface of the wok. So the salt acts like a abrasive cleaner. So this will recondition the surface of the wok. So you might still get some bumpy edges here, but when you recondition it, it will return to its smooth patina finish after a few times you use it. So most of the cooking is done on the bottom here. So this is where most of the rough edges are. So just go over the edges on the outside as well. So the salt and oil, put it into the garbage, don't put it into the sink. So get most of it off. So you use this brush, it's the same ones as they use in the Chinese restaurants, except this one's a smaller one, so used for home. So just check my Chinese cooking accessory guide underneath this video in this description section. So you can order this online or you can buy it from the local Chinese supermarket. So you can see the surface is right back to normal. It's really smooth right now. The wok has been on medium heat for the last 10 minutes. So I'm just going to do the final step. Just going to recondition the wok with some oil. So I'm just going to shut off the heat. So I'm going to put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. You don't need a lot, just maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. Even less if you want. But since I reconditioned this wok, I put a little bit extra. So make sure you don't burn yourself. Recondition this wok once in a while. When it's new, just recondition this wok once in a while. When the wok is new, you might have to do it more often, but as you use the wok, after a while you don't hardly ever need to recondition the wok. But sometimes under extreme conditions where you have a lot of burnt food, or sometimes you have a rough surface, you can recondition the wok like this. So there you have it. A newly reconditioned wok ready for the next stir fry. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. And please give me a thumbs up. And be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.